Hey mate, how's it going?
You know.
What's up? Why are you moping around?
I don't know, stuff's a bit rubbish at the moment.
You need to get out there, you need to live your life, you need to go out and find yourself a bird or something.
Yeah, maybe you're right.
Yeah.
Hey, how are you?
Oh, hey.
We met the other night, you know, the Ornithology Society?
Oh, yeah. How you doing?
Oh, I'm good, thanks. Do you like my bird dress? I got it today.
That's
It's
really cool.
And I've got the jacket to match.
That's so. Oh, there's a bird on the jacket as well.
I know, look.
That's so good.
Look. Oh, anyway, I was going to say, we're all going for a bird watch like tomorrow. Do you want to come with me?
No, I don't know.
Oh, come on, it'd be really fun.
I'm really sorry. Really sorry. Oh, hey. Do you come here often? Yeah, me too. What's your name? That's a pretty name. You know, you're really beautiful. I've been waiting for you my whole life.
Hey, I'm back. I brought someone with me.
Yeah, I'm just making dinner.
Oh, cool. What is it?